To create a book bag tag in Tinkercad, you will need a few of the three-dimensional shapes just to do the basic design. So you'll need a cylinder, a hollow cylinder, and then you'll need a cube so that you can create a rectangular prism. And then of course you'll need text so that you can write your name. And you might need another text if you want to write the year as well. And then you might need some sort of decoration, and it's really up to you how you decorate or design your book bag tag. So I'm just going to use a heart on mine. So this is the ring that attaches your tag to the book bag. Right now it's 10 millimeters high. Really 4 millimeters is a good height, and it might be a little bit small. Let's see how wide it is. About 20 millimeters. So that's pretty good. That's about 1.5 inches. So now we want to stretch out our rectangular prism and make this 4 millimeters high as well. And then we can attach the ring on the end. And it doesn't really matter quite where it attaches or how it attaches, as long as there's a hook available to attach it to the book bag. Now, if you look at it from the top, this is a great time to align this so that it's not off center. So if I click on the outside and drag a red rectangle, it activates these tools up here. This happens to be the grouping tool. This is the ungroup. This is align, and this is the mirror image. So if you click on the alignment tool, it allows me, these little black buttons allow me to align on the length, the width, and if I was looking at it from the home view, also the height right here. But we're really only interested in aligning on the width right here. So if I click on the center button, everything is centered. Now I can click on group, and I've grouped my entire object so it moves around as one piece all stuck together. So now I'm ready to add in my text. When this pop-up window appears, right here, this is the text box where you would write in the words for your name. So I'm just going to type in name like this. And I prefer to adjust words using the black squares. They seem to just be more readable and adjust a little bit better. So I'm going to drag this over here. You can align it in the same way. Let me make sure that I'm going to change this to 6 millimeters high. Oops. Click right there. Since this is 4 and 6, 2 millimeters sticking up is about right if you want it up. So if we want to align this again, what we can do is stretch out the red rectangle around the objects that we want to align, click the alignment tool, and I want to center it on the main line. So once again, I'm going to click it right here just to center it. I don't want to center it in the middle because I want to put a little decoration right here. All right, so now I'm going to add a little heart to the end of it. So maybe I'll make it a little bit longer, and then I'm going to bring my heart over. Now, if you hold down the shift key, I'm going to write down, it's on your keyboard, okay? If you hold down the shift key, that will adjust the length, width, and height of an object simultaneously. So if I'm not holding the shift key, it's going to be a little bit oblong and off center. But if I do hold the shift key when I adjust, everything will adjust the same. Okay, so the heart looks it's the exact same shape it was when I brought it over. So I'm just going to center it here and make sure that it's also about 6 millimeters. That way it'll stick up the same height as the name. Now at this point, I could group the whole thing, or I could align it as well if I felt like I needed to. I might ungroup it, and I could actually create holes for both of these. So if I click hole here and click hole on the heart, instead of sticking up, the actual design will be see-through. So let me show you this. So then if you look at it from the top, you can actually see that that book bag tag would be see-through. You can even see it from the bottom as well. So that's the basic way to make a book bag tag. If you want to add a year in and squeeze it in underneath, you could easily do that using this text. It's really up to you. So have fun, be creative.